Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2007 Kia Sedona. Kia Sedona 2007. Today we have this car here, and we have one key, we have one remote. We try to add one remote. This remote is aftermarket. We bought it from eBay, like $50 or 25, I don't know, but it's better to have two remote. It's not bad. This key does not have no chip. I'm gonna start the car, and I am going to show you how to program a key using Hotel 608. So the car is running now. Okay, now we're gonna come here. Let me turn radio off, or where is the radio switch? I don't know even where it is, but it's supposed to be volume down. Okay, let me come here. I'm gonna exit. We're gonna go again. Here is a place where you can go auto detect. I want to detect this car by car is running. Okay, if there is no VIN number also is okay, but if there is a VIN number, we're gonna go by VIN. You know what? Let me cancel this. Let me go by Asian car. And then let me see Kia. System selection. Remote system. There is a lot of remote here. So remote CAN 1, remote control learning, remote learning. This is not the one that we're looking for. Okay, let me go to a different way. Okay, automatic detection. Read. Ignition is on. If I'm not able to read the VIN number, you can do it different way. That's the VIN number. Now I am good with this, because it will take me automatically where I want to go. That's the Kia 2007. Just go to hot function. Key learning, read and mobilize the password. This note I don't like. Control unit, let me see what it say. Remote system. (16-pin) remote. Do not insert the key in the ignition. Say okay. The key is outside. Say take the key out. Communication fault. Okay, maybe it's not that one. Let me go to remote system. Just here. Remote control learning. Remote learning. Ignition is on. Turn ignition on, then off. Turn ignition on, off. Take the key out. Keep the key here. Hold this one. Say okay. Now push lock and unlock for more than 1 second. This is lock and unlock. More than 1 second. 1, 2, 3. It beep. Program what? Success. You want to do the other one? The other one also lock and unlock for more than 1 second. You're gonna beep. Yes. Program success. Say okay. That means complete. Okay. That's it. It doesn't take more than 2 remotes. So I'm gonna see here. Lock, unlock, unlock, lock. Thank you very much. Everything is good. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.